Bilang kawani ng gobyerno and Civil Service Month, gusto ko lang mag-reflect kayo muli, no? Gunitain, bakit ba kayo pumasok sa gobyerno? What drove you to apply to work in government? Kasi hindi madali ang trabaho ng gobyerno. Very demanding. Beyond that, please, you're not here for the 15:30. You're here 24/7. But find the joy in doing the work that was tasked of you. Tayong maging model ng mga batas, mga ordinansyang pinasa. We all live in Tarlac City and we're all part of it. Let us be the model and inspiration. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.